Well, Donald Trump has been loudly bragging about how he ended Roe v. Wade. He's been making the outrageous claim that everyone wanted that. Meanwhile, Republicans have been totally ignoring the horror and heartbreak that has now been unleashed, even as women and doctors are speaking out about it every single day. Here in America, in the 21st century, pregnant women are suffering and even dying, not because doctors don't know how to save them, but because doctors don't know if Republicans will let them. I spoke about this at length last week, but new reporting about the tragic deaths of Amber Thurman and Candy Miller tells the story with brutal clarity. There are children in Georgia today who are growing up without a mother because of Republican abortion bans. And the painful reality is these may be among the first stories reported in such detail, but they are most certainly not the only ones. The data shows in Texas, maternal deaths skyrocketed after Republicans enacted strict abortion laws. How does anyone shrug that off? How does any Republican think the chaos their bans have caused will somehow blow over? No woman is ever going to forget when she was sent off to miscarry alone after her doctor said, "Look, I know your life is in danger, but I'm not sure I'm allowed to save you right now." No husband is going to forget calling 911 in a panic after finding his wife bloody and unconscious. No child is going to forget for a single day of their life the mother that was taken from them by Republican abortion bans. This cruelty is unforgettable and unacceptable. Democrats will not let it become settled status quo. Americans will not let it. That is why last week I introduced a simple resolution which reaffirms a very basic principle that when you go to the ER, they should be allowed to treat you. When your life is in danger, doctors should be able to do their job. When you need emergency care, including an abortion, no politician should stop you from getting it. This should not be controversial, especially if everyone who talks about protecting the life of the mother seriously means it. After all, this is what emergency care is for, saving the life of the mother. I really want to emphasize that. We are talking about women whose water breaks dangerously early, or who are experiencing uncontrollable hemorrhage or sepsis or preeclampsia. These are the patients we are saying doctors should treat under the basic right to emergency care. Today, as you heard from the leader, we're going to try and pass this resolution, and we're going to see if the Senate can come together with one voice and tell women, we want to put your health first. We want to put your life first. We want to make sure you get the care you need in an emergency. It's a simple message, but sadly, it has now become a necessary one. Now, I don't know if Republicans are going to let us pass this or not. Republicans sometimes talk about protecting the life of the mother, but frankly, they have yet to lift a finger to make sure that doctors will do that. So we'll see where this falls today. But even if they do block this resolution, I want you to know we are not going to stop fighting to help protect women, to get everyone the care that they need, and ultimately to restore reproductive rights Donald Trump ripped away. Amazing.